Tamara 4. I am disabled. I'm 63. I'm raising my granddaughter that her mom passed away of breast cancer almost 8 years ago. Just been on disability and trying to do what I can do for other people, and saving isn't something that I'm able to do. And then when something happens, like the furnace, all we could do is sit here, I don't know. Well, I know it's a godsend, it had to be. And I pray to him every night, and I know he's going to come through for me. No matter how strong I am. I've raised 5 kids. My first husband died of cancer. He died at home, which was terrible. My dad passed away with cancer and a heart attack at the same time. And then my daughter and my mother, they all have cancer. And it's just, I don't know what's up for me. I don't know if I'm going to have that, but I hope not, because I have to be here for her. She can't lose 2 mothers. So, yeah, I'm just trying to get by best I can. It makes you feel not like, I don't know, it was unbelievable that I would actually get something. I thought, that's for everybody else, not for me. I figured God put me on the earth to be a caretaker, not a taker. So my grandma always said, your ship will come in someday, your ship will come in. I said, Grandma, I think my ship came and went, because I don't see it. I never get anything. I never win anything. I don't, and so when they said, yeah, they're coming, it's like, oh my gosh. I'm jumping up and down in my seat. I'm jumping up and down and call my kids. I'm getting a furnace. They're going to fix my furnace. So yeah, I was thrilled. I am now. It's so nice.